Hi, I'm a high school student helping my family manage rental properties. Today, I want to share something really important: insurance for landlords, including property, liability, and umbrella coverage. Let's start with property insurance. This protects the physical structure. If there's a fire, water damage, or vandalism, property insurance helps pay to repair or rebuild. Then there's liability insurance. If someone gets hurt on your property, like slipping on icy stairs, this coverage helps with medical costs or lawsuits. Now here's where it gets serious: commercial umbrella insurance. It acts as extra protection. If your liability coverage isn't enough for a big claim, umbrella insurance fills in the gap. It can protect you from large financial losses. But here's the issue: insurance premiums have gone way up recently, especially for landlords. And not only are prices higher, but there are fewer companies willing to write commercial insurance policies, especially in some areas. That means it's harder and more expensive for landlords to stay protected, so it's more important than ever to understand your coverage and shop around carefully. We also ask tenants to carry renter's insurance so their stuff is protected and it lowers the risk for us. Insurance may seem boring, but it's essential if you want to protect your rental business. Have your premiums gone up too? Or are you having trouble finding coverage? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more behind the scenes tips from a teen landlord. Thanks for watching!